Titiro, look, here comes Tamanui Te Rā. Morena, Mr. Sun. Morena, Papa Rākau. Kia ora, my name is Koka. Here in the forest with me, the 5 Patsupaerehe. Let's go and meet them. Time to wake up, Tākaro tribe.
My name is O. Kia ora, my name is U.
Kia ora, Tākaro tribe.
Kia ora, Koka.
Shall we go and see who has come to visit us today?
Aye. He kia. He kia.
Yes, it's kia. E hea ngā kia. How many kia are there?
Tahi. Rua. E rua ke.
Koia, koia. The feathers on the kia's chest are perehunga, fluffy, aren't they?
Perehunga. Fluffy.
Tino pai. But they're fluffy feathers. Do you think the kia can dance? Let's see.
Ooh, aye.
Kei te rite koutou?
Aye.
E tū, tamariki mā. Are you ready to kani kani, dance, and waiata, sing with us?
Me kani kani. Me waiata. Yay! Matike, maranga. Tutai omoe na e hoa ma. Matike, maranga. Nenti matatata ki te kori kori tinana. Tuatahi, wirihia o ringa. Tuarua, wirihia o waiwai. Tuatoru, whātoro i te tinana. Tahi, rua, toru kei te rite. Tāpaka peke peke paku paku e. Tahi ka o mati no te rerawa e. Are whanawhiua to ihuroa e. Paia! Watutuki i a koe. Matike, maranga. Ko te ao kei te kapu o tō ringa. Matike, maranga. Kia pai tō rā e hoa ma? Matike, maranga. Ooh.
What is that Kia has given to you?
Aua.
Tākaro tribe. That's Papa Rākau calling you. I'm sure he'll be able to tell you what Kia gave you. Haere rā. Off you go.
Tamariki mā, noho mai ki aku pakiaka, wakarongo mai ki ngā kōrero o te ao marama. Aure.
Tēnā koutou, Tākaro tribe.
Kia ora, Papa.
Did you enjoy dancing with the kia?
Aira.
I'm Marika. Yes, for sure. I see you've brought something along with you. Let's take a closer look, shall we?
Ooh. Yay!
Do you know what it is?
Aira.
How many waiwai legs does it have?
Tahi, rua, toru, wā. E wā.
Does it have huru-huru, fur?
Huru-huru. Fur.
The fur is maenene, soft, isn't it?
Maenene. Soft.
Do you think it would be a good mokai, pet,
Mokai.
Do you know what it is now? That's right. It's a kuri.
Kuri.
I'm Marika. Yes, for sure. It's time for us to visit some friends.
Kowhai. That's my color. He tapatoru kowhai. Kia ora.
Kia ora, tamariki mā. Who's this the tamariki are playing with? He kuri, a dog. This kuri is a mokai, a pet. I think it's time to take the kuri for a walk. Kuri love to go for walks and play outside. Ka kite anō ia koutou.
Did you know the word kuri has the letter r in it? Shall we learn to write the letter r?
I.
R. First, draw a line down, go back to the top, and draw a line around and back to the middle. Then, draw down to the right. Kapai. Let's do it again. Down the side, around to the middle, and down to the right. R.
Yay!
I'm Marika. Yes, for sure. I hear Koka calling you. Time for you all to visit Koka. See you next time.
Kia ora, Tākaro tribe.
Kia ora, Koka.
What did you learn about today?
Kuri. Kuri.
Kuri. Let's learn to spell it.
E.
Do you think we need an E?
I. Me.
Do you think we need a M?
Cow. Cat.
Do we need a K?
I. R.
Look, a R. Do we need a R?
Need a R. I. T.
Do you think we need a T?
Cow. Ooh.
Do you think we need an OO?
I.
Koia, koia. That's all the letters we need. Let's all say the word together, and then you can try and spell it.
Kuri.
Can you tell me the sound the word begins with?
Kuri. K.
Ka pai, ke. Now try sounding out the word kuri.
Kuri. K. U. R. E.
That's right. See if you can find the letters for those sounds.
Ku. K. U. Ri. R. E.
Did you manage to spell the word kuri?
Ku. Ri. Kuri. Kuri. Yay!
Koia, koia. Well done. I knew you could do it.
It has 4 wai legs. Its fur is soft. My nene. It's a great Morkai pet. Kuri. It's a kuri.
What a fun day, Tagaro tribe. Time to say goodnight. Po Marie. Good night, Tagaro tribe.
Marie.
Titiro. Here comes the moon, Mahina. Kia ora, Mahina, me ngā whetū. E moi, Tagaro tribe. See you tomorrow. Hei a pōpō.
Marie. Good night.